Okay, it's time to start today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. So, how do we want to start? We've obviously got a bunch of circles inside each other at slightly different heights. The outer and the middle look like they might be possibly proportional, but we'll worry about that later. Let's just see if we can get some sizes right first. So let's make the first radial gradient, which will be the big circle. So we want that green for, that's 50. So we can probably guess that'll be 350, so it's 300. So radius is 150 pixels. And then we'll make it purple 0. And we'll also make it a circle by putting in 1Q, which basically means if you put a number there or circle there, one number will be used for both dimensions, otherwise you end up with an ellipse. So that is that outside. Now we need to work out where that purple one is. So likewise we'll make that 1Q, we'll make it purple. How wide is that one? So we'll call that 100. 300, so 200, so 100 pixels. And then we'll make it transparent. We'll put a comma there to find out where it is. And then we want to, we could use that or we could just move it. I think moving it is going to be easiest here. So we don't want to move it on the X. We want to make it minus 40. Minus 40 looks quite close. Let's have a look. Yeah, that'll do. And then we've got a green circle, so another radial gradient. Q. Green. This looks like it should be slap bang in the center. So quickly take that. So 150, 250, so 50 pixels. And then transparent. We likewise don't want to move that anywhere. Let's actually just do that and see how close that is. That is spot on. That's good. And then we only need one more radial gradient. And that will be 1Q and purple. And so equation 175, 175, 225. So 50 pixels. So 25 pixels. Transparent. See where that lands. Okay, and then we want minus 10 pixels. Maybe 15 pixels. How close is 15 pixels? Looks good. Okay, let's get rid of those bits. We've got 4 radial gradients, so it's not brilliant, but it should work. We hit submit. We should get 100%. Ooh. here we go again. Is this just being awkward on the outside? Or is this... Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. I'll make it Q, 160, 161, no, 159. Oops. Oh, fudge. No, okay. Is this going to make me do this the hard way? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 elements maybe? Let's try it with 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll give these attributes. And then we'll make the body's background that. Okay, first P. Let's just comment this out for now. So the first P is going to be 300 by 300. So let's just do that, then do that, and set its background to a colour, and let's make this colour green, and let's make its border, yes, 50% to get a circle. Then let's make its margins -8 and uh, 108 over 254 maybe? Do margin. No. Which way are we going? Okay, let's try 224. Where are we? We're up too much. Okay. So let's make that zip. No. That's 4, 6. Okay. 300. Why? Let's just temporarily get rid of the other elements just so that we can see what's going on properly. So left, what about 10? Let's try it with 48. No. Alright, 40 is too. 42 looks not bad. I'm going to make that -8. Okay. So there's our outer circle again. Next we'll make a PB. B behind. Oh, it's not. It's just that because it's great. Okay, let's change its color just so that we can see it do its thing, and let's make its size 200, which will get us to the right size. And its margins want to be, let's try one that's 16, 8, 180, no, 280, 290, 60, 80, possibly 88, maybe 90. Right, 92, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we can do C, which is back to being green. This one should be 100 wide. Not sure where this is. Still not sure where this is. What colour we got that? We have got that as green. With 100. Where are you, little? Oh, I haven't got the. So it really helps if you've actually got the element before you try and shift it around. 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. I reckon 190 should be about right. And 120, 50, 40. And now we're a little bit too low, so do that. And then 142 maybe? Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we'll do D. Choose purple again. And that'll be 50, I think. And likewise, let's remember to put in a D element this time. Do we know where it is? Do we, Hal? Okay. 270. 270 is probably about right. Why 170. Let's try 172. No. 168. 167. Okay. Well, let's see whether or not that's 100%. Okay, so basically what we've got is, with the first one where we just used radial gradients, the rendering is slightly different to if you use elements and border radius, and the back end differentiates between the two, and it looks fairly similar in the diff to me, but never mind. Because of that, I'm not going to mess around with this works. We can take a few bits off here and there just to make it slightly shorter. Don't think we can do much better than that. So let's minify and submit. It's not going to be the best score ever, but that'll do. That will do. So that's today's CSS battle. I hope you had better luck with it than I did. And see you in the next one.